It always happens the same way. Your phone vibrates once. Your brain goes, "Someone died." Your boss says, "Can we talk?" Your brain whispers, "You're getting fired." Your friend replies late. Your brain screams, "They hate you." It doesn't matter how small the situation is, your mind jumps straight to the worst version of events, like it's trying to hurt you. But here's the scary part. Your brain isn't trying to ruin your life. It thinks it's protecting you. Today, you're going to understand the terrifying truth. Your brain is wired to predict catastrophe, even when your life is normal. Stay till the end, because the reason your mind imagines disaster is much older than you think. Your brain is 200,000 years old, and it was designed for a world filled with predators, starvation, danger, death, fight or flight. In that world, thinking the worst kept you alive. If you heard a noise in the bushes, your brain didn't think, "Probably wind." It thought, "Tiger, run!" Negative thinking equals survival. Today, there are no tigers, only emails, messages, notifications, but your brain still reacts like your life is in danger. Your environment evolved. Your brain didn't. This is the catastrophe trap. There's a phenomenon psychologists call negativity bias. Your brain gives negative thoughts 10 times more weight than neutral or positive ones. Why? Because positivity doesn't keep you alive. Fear does. That's why one bad comment ruins your day. One uncertain message ruins your night. One small mistake ruins your confidence. Your brain magnifies negativity because it thinks it's helping, but all it creates is suffering. But here's the deeper truth. Everyone catastrophizes, but not everyone catastrophizes the same things. Your brain chooses its worst case based on your past. If you grew up around yelling, you fear conflict. If you grew up ignored, you fear abandonment. If you grew up criticized, you fear failure. Your brain doesn't predict catastrophe randomly. It predicts the catastrophe that hurts you before. Your mind is not predicting the future, it's replaying your past. Now here's the funny thing. Most catastrophes your brain imagines, they never happen. Not even close. Your mind builds entire horror movies over texts, looks, pauses, silence, but 98% of the time, nothing was wrong. Your brain's disaster predictions are almost always lies. Fear without evidence is not intuition. It's memory disguised as danger. You can't stop your brain from imagining the worst, but you can stop believing it. Here's how. 1. Label the thought. Catastrophe mode. It loses power instantly. 2. Ask one question. Do I have evidence for this? 90% of the time, no. 3. Slow your breathing. Your brain can't panic if your body refuses. And 4. Act anyway. The more you face uncertainty, the weaker catastrophic thinking becomes. Your brain isn't your enemy. It's just outdated software running on a modern life. You can update it. Your brain doesn't want the worst for you. It wants you safe. It just forgot you're not living in danger anymore. When you learn to see catastrophe thoughts for what they are, ancient alarms, you finally get your peace back. What's one worst-case thought your brain always jumps to? Tell me in the comments. I'll respond to everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hype up this video. Also remember this, you mean a lot to someone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.